Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll modify a video playback scene, and by the end of this video, we'll play a video file on top of this image target. So let's start with our AR video playback scene customization. Now inside the hierarchy of this AR video playback scene, as you can see, we have a total of 7 game objects. Okay, so the first game object is the AR camera. Next, we have this scene light, which is basically a directional light which projects some light inside a scene. After this, we have 4 image targets. So the first image target is this image target astronaut, which contains an astronaut model. Next, we have this image target drone, which contains a drone model. Next, we have image target oxygen, which contains an oxygen model. And finally, we have this image target figure, which contains a video model. Okay. Below the image target figure, now I don't know whether I'm spelling this figure word correctly or not. Okay. But as I was saying, below this image target figure, we have this common UI game object. Okay. Which is basically a canvas. So if I zoom out of the scene, then as you can see, this is a canvas. Okay. Which is represented by this common UI. So I'll just click on this image target figure, and out of these 4 image targets which are present, we only require this last image target. So I'll select these 3 image targets, that is the astronaut, drone and oxygen, and I'll delete them. Next, I'll select this image target figure and I'll just rename this to business card target. With the business card image target selected, I'll change its database from Vuforia mass images to AR business card base. So as you can see, since the AR business card database contains only one image target, that is the AR business card image, so the AR business card image is opened inside the scene, and on top of this image we have this video game object. Okay, so the video game object is basically represented by these green zigzag lines. Okay, but if you look very carefully, the video game object is perpendicular to our image target. Okay, so let's rotate this video game object by 90 degrees so that it fits perfectly on top of this image target. So with the video game object selected, I'll change the Y value from 270 to 180. Okay, so that the video game object fits properly on top of this image target. After rotating the video game object, next I'll select the 3D scale tool and I'll reduce the scale of this video game object a little bit. Okay, so I'll click on the gray cube and I'll reduce the scale of this a little bit. Now I'm just making sure that the scale of this video game object is a little less than the business card target image target. Okay, and after reducing the scale of this video game object, next I'll select the AR camera. After this, I'll change the world center mode to camera. Next, I'll open Vuforia configurations, and next I'll load the AR business card database. After this, I'll click on the activate button. So after making these changes, next I'll click on the play button, and if I move the webcam near the image target, then you can see the Vuforia thumbnail along with the play button. Now guys, the view of this video game object is a bit tricky, as for viewing the video game object, you may have to move the webcam close to the image target, or if your webcam is fixed in one place, you have to move your image target near the webcam. So next, if I click on the play button, then the video will start playing. Now I clicked on the video again to pause it. You can also see a progress bar at the bottom of this video which indicates the progress of this video. And if I click on the play button again, the video will start playing. But if I move the webcam away from the image target, then as you can see, the video has stopped playing. Okay, so basically the video has paused, and if I click on the play button, then the video will start playing again. So I'll come out of play mode, and after playing the sample Vuforia video, next I'll add a new video which basically contains the details of my profession. So I'll minimize Unity, and on my desktop I have copied one video, and this video is basically a combination of the developer, trainer and the traveler video which I had used inside the AR business card project. Okay, So if I open this video, then first the developer part plays for a few seconds. Okay, if I fast forward this, then we have the trainer part. And at the end, as you can see, we have the traveler part. So I'll copy this video inside a Unity project. So to copy this video, I'll go inside the assets folder. After this, I'll open the sample resources folder. Next, I'll open the image targets folder. Inside image targets, we have this folder by the name of video, and inside this video folder, we have this sample Vuforia video, okay, which was playing right now on top of our image target, okay, and the name of this sample Vuforia video is Vuforia Sizzle, okay. So I'll copy my video inside this video folder. After this, to play this video, when this image target is detected, I'll select the video game object, and inside the video game object, as you can see, we have this video player component, and the video clip which is selected by default is Vuforia Sizzle, which is this video over here. So in place of Vuforia Sizzle, I'll drag this business video. Next, I'll click on the play button. I'll move the camera closer to the image target, and this time if I click on the play button, then the business card video will start playing. So as you can see, the business card video has started playing. Okay, so I'll just come out of play mode. And after playing the business card video, next let's change this Vuforia thumbnail. Okay, so if I click on the video game object and if I scroll down, then at the bottom we have this option of video, okay, and over here the thumbnail or the image which is selected by default is this Vuforia image. So in place of this Vuforia image, I'll just add one of my images. So I'll go inside the assets folder. I'll open the data files folder. I'll create a new folder inside this by the name of thumbnails. I'll open it, and on my desktop I have copied one image. So this is the image which I'll be using as thumbnail. Okay, so this image has my name over here, a picture on top, and at the bottom trainer, developer and designer is written. Okay, so instead of traveler, the designer text is there. Okay, so that's totally fine. I'll close the image, and next I'll copy this image inside thumbnails. And after this, I'll click on the video game object. Next, I'll again scroll down, and in place of this image, I'll drag this Dinesh Tausilkar image. Okay. After this, I'll save my scene, and this time if I click on the play button and if I move the camera near the image target, then you can see the Dinesh Tausilkar image as thumbnail. And if I click on the play button, then the business card video will start playing. So guys, that's it from this video, and I'll see you in the next video.